Yeah. I know y'all gonna feel this, man.
Y'all ready?
But of course, Louis Stacks.
Yes, sir.
Gotta grind. North Cackalack.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Yeah.
We here now.
North Cack get back, North Cack could call us NC. We go getters, you ain't never seen us envy. Carolina's finest, you'll never ever see them half step.
Welcome to GGTV. I'm Gutta Grammy 910, aka The Grinch, aka Jacksonville, North Carolina. So you made it through another year with me. Whether you hate it, whether you support it, whether you love it, whether you just bump it, whether it was just good music to you, or whether I was just a cool dude to fuck with, you were watching. And that's what counts. You feel me? Team Cloud Surfer, two of Carolina's finest. Yeah, I'm saying we going to another year, 2011, man. I'ma speak it like Nike, just do it. I wanna hear about it. I'm Jacksonville, North Carolina, man. I want to welcome y'all to a fabulous and wonderful year, yo. Sit back, relax. Subscribe to my YouTube if you ain't. Get on my Facebook if you love it. Check me out on Reverb. Merchandise coming soon. World of Tomorrow out by Easy Profit. The Rough Draft is out. Carolina's finest. North Cat Go Hard Volume 1, the 910-919 saga is about to drop. The revision is about to drop. The Team Cloud Surfers album is about to drop. We got a lot coming up, man. Shows coming up, man. Shout out to the Soapbox. Everybody, man. Everybody, man. Let's do this, man. To my haters, man. Try a little bit harder this year, yo. And I'm out.